Hello and welcome to 3751 Harrison. Today we're going to be touring a lovely two-bedroom apartment located in Oakland. There is the parking garage. It does come with one car parking, shared laundry, as well as a large shared patio. There's a fob system to enter the building. And right as you enter, there is a nice big lobby. There's your elevator straight ahead there. Mailboxes are in this lobby as well. Okay, so here is the unit. You walk into this nice, big, beautiful living room. You also have a huge closet here, not to mention the big closets in the bedroom as well, which we will get to momentarily. This is a living room, dining room combination, which is somewhat open to the kitchen, and you have a private patio just outside the living room. This is a view out the window here, and let's step outside onto this patio here. Beautiful view. And you do have a good amount of natural light in the living room. Here's the kitchen. It's been recently remodeled. You have a dishwasher, range, microwave, stone counters, lots of cabinet and counter space. And there's your refrigerator. The front entry. Okay, down the hall to the right, you have the bathroom. The sink is located just outside this half bath here. So you do have a full bath, tub and shower combination, glass enclosure, which is really nice. And here's the first bedroom. You have heaters in each of the bedrooms. This overlooks the shared patio. This unit is also located towards the back of the building, so it's very quiet. And here is the second bedroom. They're pretty equal in size. And you have the same view of the patio, which is not used very often. And let's take a peek inside here. And there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.